she's good.
I like to put a little sand in the Vaseline just to make things interesting. Guess we're not that warmed up yet.
Bullshit, everyone does.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Song I wrote for my mother, by request. Open up the gates for her. Hear the trumpets blare. A warm Miles Davis welcome. Let her dance with Fred Astaire. Open up the gates for her. Bring her Estee Lauder and pictures of her daughter and her only son. She'll want them. Open up the gates for her. She don't need no resume, no credit check today, no references except mine. And open up your ears to her. She will teach you of compassion. She will help you fashion tenderness and time. Don't lose her in paperwork or files. Don't shuffle her along with phony smiles, 'cause I've lost faith in even you. Open up your ears to me. Though I'm no man of great renown, I got no weight to throw around. Perhaps I'm headed down. But if I hear she's been ignored, deprived of her reward, heaven hath seen no fury, like a son that's scorned, be forewarned. Open up the gates for her. Wider, wider, wider. See the love that is inside her. By request,